Hello everyone, this is Eva and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. For today's video, I will be talking about Nykaa lip palette. I said I'll be reviewing it if you guys want me to, and you guys are so sweet and I really appreciate that you liked the Nykaa haul video. And if you're someone who's not checked that video, I'll link it here on the card so you can click and watch that first. Before you buy this palette, please watch this video to know why you should be buying it and what are the pros and cons. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
Well, if you're wondering why my lip color suddenly changed, it's because I was just not feeling that color. I felt I needed something more dark and deep, so I added a little bit of burgundy to my lip color.
So talking about this line that Nykaa has launched, it's called Sealed with a Kiss, and there are 4 palettes that come under these line. The first palette that I'll be showing you here right now, well, it's Girl Boss and it has 6 colors. These are not matte shades and it has a lot of pinks and plums in this palette. The next palette is Flower Child. Now this palette is exactly the same with 6 colors, but this has a lot of red, pinks and blush tone in this. Now the third palette is Bear Crush and it has 6 colors again. These all are nude shades, so it goes really well on Indian skin tone. Now the fourth palette is Bold and Beautiful. Well, I did not purchase this palette because I felt like the 3 palettes that I purchased had a lot of colors anyway similar to that. Now this palette has a lot of nudes and bold shade. Well, coming to the palette, I will be showing you the swatches in a bit. Well, talking about the pros and cons, I'll talk about the cons first now. Because it's a travel-friendly lip palette, I really wish that they had a mirror here so that it was easier to put in your lipstick. But that is one of the cons for me. The shades are very similar. I feel there are a lot of shades that are repeated and I felt that they could have added a lot more colors. I wish they could have reduced the amount of pinks that are there in all these palettes and added a little bit of other coral and brown and deep red colors. So that's one thing I really have complained about. The third point is that the perfume is kind of strong. If you're somebody who can bear it, this stays for very few, probably 10 or 15 minutes. You'll feel that fragrance and that strong perfume in it, but after that it kind of subsides. So that is one thing. Now the fourth one is something that they claimed on the website, is that it is pigmented, but actually it is not. I'll show you the footage of me trying a nude color so that you can see. Normally I would use a lip liner for my lips, but just to see how sheer it is or how pigmented it is, I'm not going to put anything on my lips. I'm going to use this shade from the Bear Crush palette. I'm not a fan of this without a lip liner because you can see how it looks. It doesn't spread out very evenly. It's not very pigmented and I feel that it really works well with a lip liner. The first pro is that this is travel friendly. It is super thin and it's small. It fits in my arm, so it's very easy to carry and it's best. The second thing is that, as they claim, that you can use it as a lip palette or a blusher palette. I think it is lovely and I will put in a clip of me trying this as a blusher for you right now. I'm using this Bear Crush palette and using this beautiful pink shade. I'm gonna go on the apple of my cheeks. Okay, as you've seen, it gives a very nice sheer, very natural effect and I love how it looks on the skin. I tried keeping it very subtle and not loud. You can do it, you can amp it up as much as you want, but the lipstick stays for good 4 to 5 hours. Now if you're eating and drinking something, I would say it stays between somewhere around 3 to 4 hours, but if you're not, then I would say it can last up to 5 hours. Coming to the fourth pro, now this is one of the important one, I should say, because let's be honest, not many brands have made this. Kudos to Nykaa, honestly, for getting a palette like this with 6 shades and for the pricing of 650 rupees. That is absolutely amazing. It is so cheap. If you go to divide by it, because you're getting 6 colors, each color would fall up to 108 rupees and that is a steal. Honestly, that is a steal for the quality of product that you're getting. So I would really suggest that you would go for a palette rather buying 6 separate lipsticks. You can buy a palette. So yeah, that is one thing that I absolutely appreciate and love about Nykaa. And for the last pro, I would say these palettes are amazing. The shades are amazing. Now all of these shades suit on Indian skin, and especially this palette, which is Bear Crush, and all of these shades goes really amazing on Indian skin. So I would definitely say, if you're somebody, especially if you're somebody who is a college going student who is not going to be using a lot of bold colors when you go to your college, I would say this is a very good palette. This has a lot of nudes. Office going, this is a good buy. All in all, a very good palette that I feel that everybody should have in their pocket, especially this, because this has good nude shades. That I would really recommend this palette, even though I had few cons, but I feel that the pricing, the packaging, the quality of these products, and the amount of product that you get in each cube, I would say it is fabulous. It is super sturdy, and I feel that everybody should have at least one of these palettes in their bag. You do not have to carry a lip palette and a blusher palette in your hand, because you have two in one. I hope this review was helpful and it made it a little easier for you to buy the lip palette that you would want. If you have any other requests, please don't forget to drop it down in the comment section below, and I would love to hear from you guys. And if you like this video and if you like this review, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do you see that circle? Please click on it and subscribe to my channel, and please be a part of this and support me, and it would mean a lot to me. To those who subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. Please share it with your friends, please share it with your family. Let people know. Until next time, bye bye.